Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Etherscan API to verify contract source code, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Etherscan API to verify your contract source code, begin by creating an account on Etherscan. Visit the Etherscan website and click on Sign up to register. Fill out the necessary information to create your account. Once you have confirmed your email and logged in, navigate to the API section from your account dashboard. Select API keys from the drop-down menu. Click on Add to create a new API key. Enter a name for your API key that represents its intended use. Submit the request to generate the key. You will see your new API key listed on the API keys page. Copy this API key, you will need it in later steps. Next, gather the details of the smart contract you want to verify. You will need the contract address, compiler version, and any appropriate constructor arguments. Access the Solidity compiler and ensure your contract is compiled properly. Return to the Etherscan API documentation page. Locate the section regarding contract verification. You will find an endpoint for verifying contracts, usually titled something like Verify Contract. Using this endpoint, prepare a JSON payload that includes your API key, contract address, source code, compiler version. Make sure to use the correct JSON format when preparing the payload. Utilize a tool like Postman or curl to send your verification request. Input the relevant information into the request fields. Choose the post method for your request. Send the request and monitor the response. A successful response will indicate that your contract verification is under review. Check Etherscan for updates on your contract verification status. Repeat these steps for any additional contracts you wish to verify. Make sure to keep your API key secure and not share it publicly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.